Now, here's meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, we've got a lot going on over the next 7 days in terms of weather. A lot of cold, couple chances of some snow, and still dealing with some precipitation right now. Let's take a look at the live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Some patches of drizzle and still a few rain, snow, sleet showers working their way through. You see just to the south of Greenville working its way down 295. Got a little shower out here, Pawtucket, Seacock on over, headed toward Swansea and Somerset over the next hour or so. That's if it holds together. The trend for these little showers have been for them to dry up. But generally, we are expecting some drizzle, some freezing drizzle, and especially up here in the northern part of the state, temperatures are hovering around the freezing mark, so it could become icy real quickly up there. What fell early this morning? The jackpot up there in Cumberland, 4.2 in the capital city up there on Federal Hill, 3 inches in Hope, 4 inches in Foster, 4.1 Gloucester, 4.0 up there in Burrville. A lot less as you head toward the south coast. 1 inch in New Bedford, 2 inches there in South Kingstown, with a lot of rain mixing in after a couple of hours of snow. Live city cam picture, we've got cloudy skies out there right now. A little patchy drizzle in the capital city with a temperature of 34. Winds from the west-northwest at 5 miles an hour. And again, up here in the northern part of the state, that's where the coldest of the air is in Rhode Island. And as a result, there's likely some icing taking place up here. Any untreated surfaces, roadways, side streets especially, could be on the slick side, so take it easy. Even your front steps could be on the icy side. Satellite radar picture is showing the precipitation, the steadiest of which moving away, and we're going to be dealing with just a couple of showers for the next hour or so. What's going on over the next couple of days is quite a bit. We've got drying skies for tonight, and then for tomorrow, an Arctic front will be on the approach. Out ahead of it, a pretty decent day, but behind it, some really cold air. That arrives tomorrow night, and it'll be meeting up with an ocean storm, and the precipitation with the ocean storm will be colliding with that cold air. And we're dealing with primarily snow tomorrow night, a fluffy snow as well. In fact, we're looking at some accumulations in our area. We're getting the fringe effects of that storm system, and if it tracks just a little bit further on off to the east, we could be dealing with less in the way of what I'm anticipating right now. But here we are, Friday early morning with the snow overspreading the area and getting out of here for the morning commute. Here we are around 8:15 on Friday, and then the rest of the day on Friday looks cold, but at least it'll be sunny. Here's what I'm expecting for tomorrow night, early Friday morning. 1 to 2 inches across most of Rhode Island, 2 to 4 across southeastern Massachusetts, Cape Cod, and the islands, and less, maybe just some flurries, maybe a coating to an inch up there in extreme northwestern Rhode Island. And again, encourage you to check back with further forecasts. If it comes a little bit closer, we actually could be seeing a little bit more in the way of snow. But for now, we're expecting more of a nuisance, kind of like this morning, where we're looking at maybe some slow-going morning commute on Friday. This evening, we're looking at precipitation, all kinds of which over the next couple of hours. Watch out for icing overnight. Even tomorrow morning, we're looking at the chance for some icing. Temperatures will respond to the sunshine, though, getting up into the low 40s in the afternoon. And then for Friday, a lot colder after that potential snow arrives. Only 29 degrees Friday afternoon. The weekend, not too bad, about 40 degrees each day. Monday, cold. Watching for another potential storm on Tuesday. I threw a snowflake in for now. It could be a little bit more significant. Wednesday looks to be pretty cold next week as well. So winter is back. No more 61, 62 degrees, at least for a little while.
Too bad. All right, thanks, DJ. More coverage you can count on coming up later on tonight.